Hi guys, myself Dakshita and welcome to my YouTube channel Journey to Space. In today's video, I'm going to talk about something very interesting that I'm sure you have heard of. It is about a supermassive black hole. Now, what does one mean by black hole? They would think that a hole which is black in color. Yes, they are somewhat right, because we actually don't know what exists inside a black hole and it is still a mystery. Hence, the scientists have termed it as the supermassive black hole. There's other important fact about a black hole. A black hole is a hungry beast. I wonder why do they even call it so? It is because it swallows up everything which is too small or too close to it, and it is inferior to its gravitational force. Basically, the things which are unable to fight its gravitational force. Then how are these black holes even formed? When the massive stars die, they are formed into supermassive black holes. Isn't that interesting? It is same like the human birth and the death cycle. When humans die, they are considered to be reborn. Same implies here. When the supermassive stars die or their lifespan ends, they are born into supermassive black holes. Now let us study about the properties and structure of a black hole. Basically, when a black hole is formed and it attains its stability, it has only three physical properties, that is mass, charge and angular momentum. Mass is both a property of a physical body and the measure of its resistance to acceleration. Then we have charge. Charge is a physical property of matter that causes it to experience force. There are two types of charges, that is positive charge and negative charge. Then we have the angular momentum, which is also called as the moment of momentum or the rational momentum. It is an important quantity in physics because it is a conserved quantity and the total angular momentum of a closed system remains constant. Then let us study about the structure of a black hole. Its circumference is termed as the event horizon, whereas the radius is termed as the Schwarzschild radius, and the point which is at the center is termed as the singularity. Schwarzschild radius is termed in honor of the scientist Carl Schwarzschild, who had exactly calculated the solution for the theory of general relativity in the year 1916. He had also derived the most famous formula, R is equal to 2gm by cs square. Isn't that very interesting? Yes, of course it is. I have few more facts for you. The bigger the galaxy is, the more massive its central black hole is. Now I wonder, can our sun turn into a black hole? The answer is no. This is because our sun is too small to be turned into a black hole. A star which is 25 times heavier than our sun is. Fact number 2. The first ever black hole to be discovered was the MS-87 or the Messier 87. At the last, I have an interesting question. What would happen if accidentally or by mistake if you fall into a black hole? Whether the black hole would crush us and there would be no identity that a person like us existed. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, as it would be a great motivation for